If Photopea Zoom is not working for you, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to editing fast. Whether your shortcuts are not responding, your mouse wheel is zooming the browser instead of the canvas, or pinch zoom just feels broken, these quick checks usually solve it in minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, click directly on the main canvas area to regain focus. This is one of the most common reasons zoom shortcuts stop working in Photopea. If your cursor was recently inside a box like layer name, dimensions, or a text field, Photopea may still be listening to that input instead of the canvas. So click on the dark gray workspace around your image, not inside a menu or text box, and then try zooming again. Next, if you are editing text on the canvas, you need to exit text editing mode. When a text layer is active, keyboard shortcuts can get typed into the text itself instead of controlling the view. To fix that, press Escape to cancel editing, or press Enter on the numpad to confirm the text and leave edit mode. Once you are back in normal selection mode, try your zoom shortcut again. Now let's check browser zoom conflicts. If you are using CMD or Control with your mouse wheel and the whole browser interface is zooming instead of the Photopea canvas, that means the browser or a setting is taking over. In Photopea, go to More, then Settings, and look for Wheel Zoom. Make sure it is enabled. If you still have trouble, try holding Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while scrolling. That often forces zoom to apply to the canvas instead of the browser. Another reliable fix is to use the dedicated navigation shortcuts. For zooming in, press CMD++ on Mac or Ctrl++ on Windows. For zooming out, use CMD+- or Ctrl+-. If you want the image to fit the screen, press CMD+0 on Mac or Ctrl+0 on Windows. And if you want to view the image at actual pixels, use CMD+1 or Ctrl+1. These shortcuts are very useful when gestures or the mouse wheel are not behaving correctly. If Photopea Zoom still does not respond, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially smooth scrolling tools, gesture add-ons, or tab managers, can intercept the wheel and pinch inputs before Photopea gets them. A very easy test is to open Photopea in an incognito window. On Mac, use Command-Shift-N, and on Windows, use Ctrl-Shift-N. If zoom works normally there, then one of your extensions is probably causing the issue. From there, you can disable extensions one by one until you find the one interfering with Photopea. So to quickly recap, click the canvas to refocus, exit text editing mode, check wheel zoom settings, use the built-in shortcuts, and test for extension conflicts if needed. One of those steps usually fixes the problem right away. If this helped you solve your Photopea Zoom issue, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.